If Copenhagen is the place to talk climate change, the European Council has become the place to talk about Copenhagen. In the very first summit since Lisbon came into force, European heads of state and government restated their intention to help the developing world.
How important it is for the developing world to have some concrete help from the developed world in terms of adaptation.
But officials said they were still coming up with the concrete numbers.
We are still working on putting together what the European countries on a voluntary basis are able to put on the table.
While EU officials sounded proud of what they have achieved so far, NGOs said more is needed to make progress in Copenhagen.
The need for a binding agreement that will mean that rich countries in particular have to take responsibility for climate change.
Another issue that raised concerns at the summit was Greece's huge debt, which amounts to 300 billion euros, its highest level in modern history. Officials said Greece should resolve its problems domestically.
Now, on the top of the agenda of the new Greek government to meet with different measures.
The council was also about a personal spat, that between Mr. Brown and Mr. Sarkozy. Ahead of the meeting, Sarkozy called the British big losers after a Frenchman was appointed to oversee EU's banking. Nothing, of course, was mentioned about that at the press conference.
Basically agreed on important points: the need to have a global strategy, the need to link our exit strategy now from the crisis with the need also to create new sources of growth.
The two leaders, however, came together on the issue of taxing bankers' bonuses. They said it was unfair for taxpayers to pay for banks' failures, but not to be able to profit from their successes. The European Council summit kicked off with an agenda full of issues ranging from climate change to financial regulation. But at the end of the day, there were few decisions, yet plenty of controversy. At the European Council for Press TV, I'm Anna Moya.